So in 6.1, you have tribal situation in India, biogenetic variability, linguistic and socio-economic characteristics. See, biogenetic variability and linguistic variability we study as a part of second chapter. So you have to wait till then. Biogenetic variability and linguistic variability. We can see socio-economic characteristics of a tribal population. Socio-economic characteristics, I think all throughout socio-cultural anthropology we have studied a number of aspects related to various tribes, not only in India but also elsewhere. Here we see the classification given by D. N. Majumdar. So based on technological advancement and activities, D. N. Majumdar classified the tribes of India into different categories. So please write. D. N. Majumdar has given a classification of tribes of India based on socio-economic characteristics and technological advancements and socio-economic characteristics. He classified Indian tribes into number 1, tribes engaged in hunting and gathering, who are subsisting by hunting and gathering, isn't it? Example, Chinchus, Feathers, Malapatram, Chandis, then you can write Onges, Sentinels, Gauravas, etc. Next, tribes engaged in cultivation on hill slopes. Most of the northeastern tribes, like tribes of, please write, tribes of Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya, Manipur, Mizoram, Nagaland. It is known as Jhum cultivation. Jhum, J-H-U-M, Jhum cultivation. Cultivation in plain areas, Bodo and Miri in Assam, even some zones of central India. Next one, tribes engaged as agricultural and non-agricultural laborers. These are basically tribes from Jharkhand, Bihar, West Bengal, Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, even some tribes of Assam, particularly in West Bengal and Assam. These tribes are involved in tea plantations, plantation crops. Tribes engaged in pastoralism, Gaddis and Bakarwals in Jammu and Kashmir, Todas in Nilgiris. Then tribes engaged in artisan, artisan, A-R-T-I-S-A-N. For example, Asurs in Bihar, Kollam, K-O-L-L-A-M, Kollam in Maharashtra. These are mat weavers. Irulas, I-R-U-L-A-S, Irulas are snake charmers. Folk arts, nuts in UP, they are involved in drama. Munduptu in Orissa, Munduptu, M-U-N-D-U-P-T-U, Munduptu in Orissa. These are acrobats. Acrobats means sometimes in Delhi also you'll see, they'll come with some sticks, they'll tie the rope and they'll walk on the rope, or they'll do something, they're somersaulting. They are tribal people. Their main source of livelihood is this one only. But main problem is that these people, when they come to cities and towns, they are subjected to extortion from the local people as well as the police department, because they are looked upon very suspiciously, and that is a form of beggary also. So that sometimes they are not allowed to display their events, because they are displaying their events and they are seeking for money. They only know that one. So, and what could be the other alternate livelihood for them? Next one, tribes engaged in service and trade. Like service, I have Meenas of Rajasthan, even Nagas of Nagaland. They are mostly involved in service. I think you already know this.
Selecting the right optional subject for the UPSC exam can be a daunting task, especially if you're aiming to succeed on your first attempt. But what if there's a crucial element that could make all the difference? That element is continuous answer writing practice at Vijetha IAS Academy. Our Anthropology Optional Foundation program offers a comprehensive approach. Not only will you delve deeply into the subject matter, but you will also engage in daily and weekly answer writing exercises. Each of your answers will be meticulously reviewed and critiqued by P Kishore Sir, ensuring you receive personalized feedback to enhance your skills. This approach has already helped many students achieve impressive marks and ranks, such as Akanksha Singh, 311 marks in Anthro CSE 2022. Chaudhary Shipra Vijay Kumar, 307 marks in Anthro CSE 2022. Ajin Kumar, who cracked UPSC in his first attempt, and many more. With daily feedback and structured practice, you will be well prepared to succeed in the UPSC examination. With our focused feedback and structured practice, you'll be well equipped to improve your performance and boost your chances of securing a top rank in the CSE. Don't wait any longer. Enroll in Vijetha IAS Academy today and unlock the proven success formula for conquering the UPSC exam.